In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a personalized signature in marketing emails in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a dynamic, branded signature that updates automatically based on your data, so every message looks professional and consistent. Start by signing into HubSpot and heading to your main dashboard. From the top navigation, open the More menu to reveal additional tools, then choose Marketing. In the Marketing workspace, click Email to access your marketing email list and editor. Next, locate the email you want to update and open it to edit. This keeps your existing content intact while you add the signature. Once you're in the email editor, decide exactly where the signature should live. Most teams place it near the bottom of the message, just above the legal footer. Choose a spot that feels natural and keeps your call to action visible. Now look to the left-hand sidebar for the content tools. Use the search bar and type signature. If a signature module is available in your theme or template, select it. If you prefer a custom layout, you can add a section and drop in modules such as rich text or image to build your own signature block. The key is to create a clear, compact area that fits your brand. With the area ready, add personalized elements. Click to insert personalization and select the contact property you want to display. Common choices include first name, company, or a contact owner field. If you want the message to reflect the assigned representative, combine these tokens with your standard sign-off text, like your team name or department, and include an image if you use a logo or headshot. Keep images optimized so they load quickly, and add descriptive alt text for accessibility. Fine-tune spacing, font sizes, and colors so your signature matches the rest of the email. Consistency helps build trust and ensures your content looks intentional. If you're using personalization, double-check default values so that if a property is missing, your email still reads naturally. When you're happy with the placement and style, save your changes. Use the preview and test tools to send yourself a copy and confirm the signature renders correctly on desktop and mobile. Finally, proceed to send or schedule the email as you normally would. That's it. You've added a personalized signature to a HubSpot marketing email that's on brand, dynamic, and easy to maintain. Repeat these steps for your other templates to keep your entire email program polished and consistent.